Dali. So para po sa ating last game, kung sino po ang unang makapagpuputok ng lobo, sila ang panalo. Okay, sige po, balik na po tayo sa ating pwesto. Ayan, ipabigyan na lang po ulit kay break number 1 ng balloon. Alright, so this time, happy birthday, Kuya Kia! Olivia at McDonald, Santa Clara, pass the balloon to player number. Alright, player number 4! Player number 4, player number 4! Alright, player number 4, player number 4, spaghetti, 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 aso, putak, player number 1! Player number 1! Oh, excited ang girls. Ayan, so hiramin ko lang isang lobo dito sa may ano natin. Ayan, pinutok agad ng girls.